with the alignment with the core, right?
Uh-huh.
When the extractor is coming to here, it's not aligning with that thing, which means what is the step over there? That's a shaft inserted core locker, right? So you need to just put this one 22, enter. You already have that location here for reference. Here the saved coordinates. Okay, so this one actually works as per these saved coordinates. This is basically like a set point, so all these three axes trying to reach to that set point. So at when all three axes reaches to that set point, that is going to be that location. So what happens when that one is aligning is this number got off. What you need to do is you need to manually adjust it for that step, and then once you see that it is like at right position, right location, you just need to press and hold this green button. It is like acquisition by teaching, acquired by teaching, or something like that. So when you press that, this actual position is the right position because we teach it. We taught the extractor to be in that particular location. Now when you hit this one, these new numbers will be saved for the new coordinates. That is going to be a good location, like correct location. So once you do that, you have to check by taking the shaft out and doing it like insert the core into, insert the shaft in the core lock to make sure it is doing that. So once that is corrected, you can what do you say that? Simulate the full cycle to see where it is having issue again. We do the same thing. Consider it is touching at the pre-insert. Here, shaft pre-insert 24. So I'm going to put 24, enter. These are the saved positions for the shaft insert. So if the extractor is at that location but it is that is not going into that proper location, you're basically in the local mode and you're going to adjust it all with these all three coordinates.
Okay.
And you're going to put the extractor where you need, like a correct location, and then save it again. The best way to do that is before you save it, you have to take a picture just to have a reference like where you were and where you are and what is the right one. Okay, so that's how we do the coordinates. There is one more thing called zero calibration. All these three axes would have one home position. Sometimes when we crash it a lot of times, it loses its home position. So we need to give its home position by doing a zero calibration. For that, we need to connect our software with the laptop. It's called Step 7, Siemens Step 7 and Semantic Manager. We need to have those two. But that's going to be a bit complicated in the beginning. I'm going to show you. I already made a SOP for that. You need to go through all the software for doing that. But for only coordinate setup, that's going to be very easy. Like wherever you having issue, you can just teach it. You can just move it manually and save that location where it is supposed to be for the proper location. And one more thing you can do is we have offset values here. Consider here having issue, but it is only slight adjustment issue. So consider the shaft extractor is here and that is like a little bit too high. This is like z-axis, right? So for that, what is the step? Shaft inserted core locker, right? For 22, it really doesn't matter. For 22, we have XYZ. So you would know which axis it is like a little bit higher. So up and down is a Z axis like Z. So if it is little bit higher, you need to make it lower, right? For that, I can just put Z here minus like 2. It is right now 8. I can make it 6. So it's going to reduce its height by 2 mm because we made an offset. That offset could be only 20 mm, like a plus 10 minus 10. Beyond that point, you need to redo the coordination.
Okay.
Yesterday I had to do that for 3 inch. I tried to adjust with the offset. It did not help. You remember that? You said you need to go a little bit higher, but it didn't work out. When I used all the offset values, I had to give a new coordinates for that. Okay, so that's the theory behind it. You understand now?
So far, yeah.
Stop it. You're gonna do it. I'm going to give you instructions.